What's going on, everyone? This is the Retro Reps channel, and I am doing another review. This is a shoe. This is a Jordan 1 Bred. It comes from KickWho. This is not their God Killer version, so this is just a normal version. And I wanted to, show you this because even though it's not their God Killer version, I think it is a very good sneaker. I have had this shoe for a good 6 months. This is one of my shoes that I wear the most. As you can see, the bottom is your normal, Jordan brand. I don't play basketball or anything like that. I do work out. I do go to the gym. This is one of my favorite workout sneakers. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see, even when this is not the God Killer version, you can see that the leather quality is pretty good, very supple, very soft. It's sort of flat, matte, black material. As you can see, the swoosh is a tumbled leather, and this is, the logo looks good, the placement looks good. These materials are all, I think, really pretty good. The midsole is a white. Obviously, the sole is red. I went with the black shoelaces, so I'll bring this one back. And this is just a Bred. This is I think this is supposed to be the 2016 version. I'm pretty sure. These go for probably, $600 to $1,000 on StockX or resale. And, this is for educational purposes only, but I want people to know that there are really good versions out there that you don't have to break the bank. Of course, if you want to have the real, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just going to show one other detail. On my side camera over here, there is the size of the shoe, and it says 8410, I guess 16X. So it's supposed to be, I guess, mean that it was made in 1984. Not 100% positive what that means, but it's in there as it was on the original. And you can see the stitching is good. Everything is on point. The shape of the shoe is on point. Now, I don't have a real version of this to compare it to, but what I do have is a retail version. This is the closest shoe I have, and this is from StockX. Paid about $350, $400 for it. I just want to do a comparison so that people can see, are you going to be able to tell the difference on foot? I want people to know the quality of shoes that are out there. Again, this is the retail. So I think the leather quality and the build quality is really pretty similar. You can see on the back of the shoe, back of the shape of the shoes, I think are really pretty close to one another. Of course, they're different. Sorry, I'm trying to get them lined up. Not perfectly aligned, not exactly the same size, but again, they're different sort of models. But on foot, you tell me, are you going to be able to tell a difference from one sneaker to the next? I mean, the stitching is on point. The quality to me is on point. When I wear these around, I don't even know which one is real, which one is not. I don't pay attention to that anymore because once I get these sneakers, to me, they're all real. They're all sneakers. We're all wearing them around. So even though it's, it's not the retail version, in my own mind, when I'm wearing it, I don't think of it as anything different. So I'll bring the other shoe back. I just wanted people to know that even though this is not the God Killer, there might be other batches out there that are better. This was not the God Killer batch. This is just their normal sort of KickWho batch. And, I've been pretty impressed so far. It's great. Wear the shoes. They look better over time as you break them in. I think that the leather looks really good. And again, I'll do one more close up of the shoe so everyone can see it again. This is not the cleanest shoe because I obviously have worn it, but you'll get a feel for how is the shoe going to look after you've worn it 10, 15, 20 times. because I have worn this shoe at least that amount of times, and it is holding up really well. I'm really happy with the shoe. I wish that they would have had the God Killer batch in stock when I ordered this, but it just wasn't available. And so I went with, the next best version. And here it is. It's a good review. So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will be pumping out more and more reviews as I get these shoes, and I will catch you at the next episode.